So now let's see how we can work around with the low pass effect inside of Corel Draw. So in order to go ahead and apply the low pass effect onto an image, first of all, I need an image. And to do that, I'm going to go around onto the file menu and then go around onto import right here to go ahead and import out an image that I want to apply the low pass effect to. So let me just go around and bring in this picture of a car right here. And to apply the low pass to this particular picture, I'm going to go around over here onto the effects option, and then I'm going to go around over here onto the blur section right here, and then I'm going to go to low pass right here. So once I go ahead and do that, nothing seems to be a change right here, but as I change around the radius, you can see that I got that particular low pass blur effect right here, which is applied right here just like this. So seems like a normal blur right here, and you can change around the radius to increase out the blur radius. If I were to change around the percentage, you can see that the blurred image actually gets superimposed, and you can get more like a soft look, as you can see right here on the overall image as well. And that is how you can go ahead and work around with the low pass effect inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.